Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Jake Lee. I'm from the Samsung Display American Lab. Today's topic of my presentation is image-based deep learning for manufacturing fault condition detection. So let me start with my agenda today. I will provide the introduction and challenge for the dataset, data processing and baseline solution, issue analysis and solution. And let me share the experiment and result, then conclusion. So let me start with an introduction. So trace data analytics, why I'm doing this is kind of to understand the nature of fault condition in display panel manufacturing process using multivariate time series sensor signals. So digital trace data, what that means is a record of activity undertaking through the information system. Trace is a mark left as a sign of passages. So what that means in my case, from the manufacturing process, dry etching process, especially from the chamber data, I'm getting the lots of sensor data from the manufacturing process itself. And this multi-parameter, the input data from the sensors to converting to 2D trace data using the data processing and trying to making this classifier using the deep neural network to detect the fault conditions. So first question is kind of, if I generate this 2D trace data, is it there is enough information to making classifier? That was my first question to answer to doing such things.